All right. Should executors keep beneficiaries informed? Short answer is yes, of course. Executors should keep beneficiaries in the loop. And the question is, where in the spectrum does that lie? You know, obviously, an executor can't have just complete radio silence for the year or so plus it takes to completely settle an estate. That would be on the unreasonable side of no communication. But at the same time, on the other end, some beneficiaries tend to want play by plays of literally every letter or phone call made to the court or to the bank or every step of the real estate closing. And that's not reasonable either. So there needs to be somewhere in the middle of there. And really, what the courts look for are major milestones, meaning when when a piece of real estate when has closed and the sale is complete, that would be a reasonable time to notify all the heirs that has transpired. Uh, but if you have dozens of bank accounts or brokerage accounts, you might just get a letter every month or even every 2 months with sort of high level updates of what's going on. Because beyond that, you're just kind of asking the executor to spend a lot of more time and build the estate more than is really necessary to keep you in the loop. Remember, this is about a year-long process, so having weekly update calls would mean 52 calls with the executor or the attorneys, and that can get very expensive. So yeah, monthly, maybe even every other month, plus major milestones is really what you should be looking for. Could be a little bit more, could be a little bit less, depending on what's going on. If you're just waiting for tax clearance from the IRS, it could be, unfortunately, a couple of weeks, couple of months in between updates, and that's just how it is. But yes, bottom line, executors, keep your beneficiaries informed. It'll make your life easier at the end when you're accounting. And beneficiaries, be reasonable. You don't need a play-by-play. There's no need for a backseat driver executor. But yeah, you are entitled to milestone updates. Right. This answer is based on my experience as a professional executor and New York probate attorney for several hundreds of estates. Hope this helps.